Previously on episode 1. In this 4-episode series, we're taking a 4-day road trip starting at Chubu International Airport and making our way through Nagoya and the surrounding prefectures. So join me, Raina Ong, as we continue on day 2 of our road trip from the coast to the peaks of central Japan. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Day 2. Our second day begins with breakfast at my accommodation, then getting on a car ferry across the bay and driving to Lake Hamana. There, we will participate in 2 activities. The first involves eel, which the area is famous for, and then go-karting. Finally, we drive to Achi village, which is known for its night sky and where we'll spend the night.
It's day 2 of our trip and I'm on the car ferry that will take us across the bay in about an hour.
Lake Hamana is the largest lake in Shizuoka Prefecture. The brackish waters are home to abundance of fish, and one of the delicacies that Lake Hamana is famous for is eel or unagi. Over at Kaikokan in Imagire Park at the southern edge of Lake Hamana, visitors can get the unique opportunity to catch an unagi and other fish with their bare hands before grilling and enjoying the delicacy for lunch.
I'm about to start my Unagi activity. They've released one into the water over here and I'm gonna try and catch it. Wish me luck! I can't do this! I can't do this! Oh, I'm so scared!
The activity requires a bit of effort, but will definitely make for a lasting impression, and the unagi dish can't get any fresher than this.
I'm about to have the unagi, which I didn't catch, but I grilled, for lunch. Itadakimasu!
After that eye-opening unagi activity, I'm going to continue to keep the adrenaline pumping by going go-karting. We're headed to the kart circuit about 15 minutes away to do a few laps. These go-karts have a top speed of about 60 kilometers an hour, and those with the need for speed can quench that thirst here.
I'm gonna give this my best shot and smash some records today. Ganbarimasu!
Don't say I didn't warn you, this can be really addictive. From here, we're driving to Achi, a village in the mountains. With low light pollution, Achi village is touted as one of the best places to see the night sky in Japan. Those who make the trek here can experience a natural planetarium when the skies are clear, and staying overnight is one of the best ways to enjoy this experience. I'm gonna be staying at Hirogami Onsen, a hot spring town in Achi village, where dinner and a good night's rest await me.
What a day it's been, and I'm ready for some food. Goodbye.
And that was day 2 of our 4-day road trip through central Japan. Thanks for joining me. I hope this video has been enjoyable and perhaps even inspires some ideas should you decide to plan a road trip. Be sure to join us on episode 3 as we continue on the 3rd day of our trip, visiting some cultural sites and staying in a rustic traditional Japanese inn. For more information about this trip or to watch another video, click the links on the screen now, or head over to japanguide.com, your comprehensive, up-to-date travel guide firsthand from Japan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos about Japan. Happy travels!